Guys, today I'm going to discuss about digital electronics subject. In that I'm going to deal with logic gates and Boolean algebra. So coming to the first part, that is logic gates. So logic gates are used to perform logic operations. So to perform these logic operations, okay, this logic gates will be having different types of gates like AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, NAND gate, NOR gate, XOR gate, and XNOR gate. These are the types of gates involved in the logic gates to perform some logic operations. In that regard, I am saying these first three gates are known as the basic gates, which are the initial gates, this NAND or NOT, and this NAND and NOR are the universal gates, and this XOR and XNOR are the special gates. So out of this you have to say that AND or NOT are the basic gates, NAND NOR are the universal gates, XOR and XNOR are the special gates. Okay, so coming to the basic gates, basic things have been started from this. So I'm going to start with the AND gate. So first of all, I want to show the symbol for AND gate. This is the symbol for the AND gate. I'm taking this as the inputs. There will be two inputs or more than and two inputs, and output I'm taking white output as Y, input as AB. So when I give both inputs A and B, my output will be AB, A into B. Okay, so this is the symbol for AND gate. If I take the truth table, means to perform some operations there must be some logic behind, right? So the logic is A into B. So if I give some two inputs combination, what will be the output we have to see. So my inputs are inputs and outputs. Let us take inputs are AB and output is Y. So AB means I'm taking as two inputs that will be in the four combination, that is 0 1, 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. So when I take this, when I give when low inputs, my output will be also low, that is 0 0 into 0 0 0 into 1 0 1 into 0 0 1 into 1 1. Means this is the logic behind the AND gate, that to get high state the input must be in high, the both input state must be high. When the both inputs are high, then output will be high in the AND gate. Okay, similarly if I take the OR gate, symbol of OR gate is thus, the output will be A plus B. This is the symbol of the OR gate, and the output is A plus B. Means if I take the truth table, inputs, outputs, so output itself, okay, right. Again take the four combination 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Then 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1. Means any one of the input is in high state, then output will be high. Okay, here any one of the input must be high, then automatical output will be high. This is the logic behind the OR gate. When coming to the NOT gate, NOT gate symbol is this one. Means if I give A, my output will be A bar. Okay, so the truth table also it will be AY. If in A is 0, output will be 1. If A is 1, output will be 0. means it will act like a inverter. This is the things about the basic gates.